Welcome to 1493 Beers Humbird Rd in Sagle, Idaho. Now, if you're looking for an easy to maintain home and property, this 3-bedroom, 1-bath, 1,400 square foot house on just over 2 acres might be for you. Let me show you around. One of the many great features of this house is the proximity of Round Lake State Park, which is known for its fishing and summertime swimming. You can also take advantage of Tallahatchie Landing, which is great for canoeing, paddle boating, and just have a really great summer afternoon. Thank you so much for joining me on this amazing tour of this home and this property. If you have any questions, reach out to your realtor or myself. We're happy to help you. Thank you so much.